We often hear about electric cars, but the real challenge has always been making heavy trucks and commercial vehicles electric. The reason is simple. They have to travel long distances, carry heavy loads, and long charging times bring their work to a halt. China's biggest battery company, CATL, has introduced a battery that can charge to 80% in just 6 minutes and 48 seconds. Yes, you heard that right. 6 minutes and 48 seconds. That's almost the same amount of time it takes to fill a diesel tank. And it's not just fast charging. The battery is also claimed to last up to 1 million kilometers, meaning a vehicle could run for around 10 years without ever needing a replacement. But can it really replace diesel for good? Will electric trucks and vans finally become cheaper and more practical than diesel ones? What technology is actually inside this battery? How does it perform in cold weather? How much real difference could it make? Is it truly as durable as the company claims? And most importantly, how much could this change the transport industry in the years ahead? Before we go further, make sure to subscribe to GearNation so you never miss videos like this one. The everyday problem with electric commercial vehicles. Think about the vehicles we see on the road every single day. Early in the morning, milk delivery vans, small vegetable trucks, and e-commerce delivery vehicles start moving through the city. Much of the urban supply network depends on them, yet they all share one major problem, which is one of the biggest reasons electric vehicles still haven't fully replaced diesel in this space. Even today, most fleet operators and small business owners still prefer diesel. The reason is straightforward. The battery remains the biggest obstacle. First, there's charging. Picture a driver starting work at 5 a.m. and making deliveries all day. By evening, the battery is running low, and the driver has to find a charging station and wait, sometimes an hour or more. During that time, the vehicle sits idle, work stops, and earnings take a direct hit. As a result, only 2 or 3 delivery runs might get completed in a full day. The second issue is battery longevity. Commercial vehicles typically cover 200 to 300 kilometers a day, and constant use wears the battery down faster. After a few years, it may need replacing, and a new battery isn't cheap. A diesel vehicle, by comparison, can run for many years without any major battery-related expense, which is exactly why so many operators still trust diesel more. Talk to anyone already driving an electric van, and you'll hear similar complaints. Charging takes too long, battery life remains a concern, and cold weather performance is unreliable. That's why many small businesses and fleet operators still consider diesel the safer bet. It may cost more to run and produce more pollution, but it doesn't let them down mid-shift. These challenges have long been the biggest roadblock for electric commercial vehicles. People want to switch, and governments are encouraging it, but without solving these real battery problems, building full trust has remained difficult. Now, that may be starting to change. CATL, China's biggest battery maker, has introduced a new battery aimed squarely at these problems. The big question is, can this technology genuinely challenge diesel? Introducing the TechTrans 2 battery. Let's talk about the technology creating so much buzz across the EV industry. CATL, China's largest and the world's #1 battery manufacturer, introduced its new battery in July 2026. It's called TechTrans 2, also known as Tianxing 2, and it's been specially designed for light commercial vehicles, small delivery vans, e-cargo vehicles, and everyday city transport vehicles that stay on the road constantly. Its biggest highlight is 8C ultra-fast charging. KTL says it's the first battery of its kind built specifically for the logistics sector. And according to the company, charging times for electric commercial vehicles are now getting much closer to the convenience of petrol and diesel refueling. The charging speed is what's drawing the most attention. KATL says this battery can charge from 20% to 80% in just 6 minutes and 48 seconds, roughly the time it takes to finish a cup of tea or take a short break, with a full charge taking around 9 minutes. Where charging used to take hours, that time has now been dramatically reduced. The direct benefit is simple. Vehicles can stay on the road longer and complete more deliveries in a day. The second major advantage is longevity. CATL is offering a 10-year or 1 million kilometer warranty on this battery. Even for a commercial vehicle driving 250 to 300 kilometers every day, the battery is designed to hold up for many years. Where battery replacement used to be a major concern after just a few years, CATL says this technology could largely remove that worry. The company sums it up with a simple phrase: battery life equals vehicle life, meaning the battery is built to last roughly as long as the vehicle itself. It's not only about speed and longevity either. The battery has also been engineered for harsh weather, with CATL claiming solid performance down to 20 degrees C, where charging only takes about 2 to 3 minutes longer, meaning performance shouldn't be significantly affected even in colder regions. The company also says it has redesigned several internal elements, so the battery doesn't overheat during fast charging, and remain safe over the long term, built specifically around the daily demands of commercial vehicles. This announcement carries extra weight because CATL isn't a small or unproven company. Major automakers including Tesla, BMW, and Mercedes-Benz already use its batteries. So when CATL itself expresses this level of confidence in a new commercial vehicle technology, the industry takes notice. The magic behind the charging speed. Let's dig into the feature generating the most discussion. CATL's TechTrans 2 can charge from 20% to 80% in just 6 minutes and 48 seconds, with a full charge taking around 9 minutes. Until now, most electric commercial vehicles needed anywhere from 30 minutes to an hour to reach 80% charge, time during which the vehicle sat parked, the driver waited, and work stopped. If charging can genuinely be completed in a few minutes, vehicles can stay on the road longer and complete more deliveries each day. So how is charging this fast even possible? CATL calls it 8C charging technology. In simple terms, the C rating reflects charging speed. A 1C rate means roughly 1 hour to fully charge, while 8C represents charging many times faster than that. CATL says it has re-engineered how electricity flows inside the battery, allowing it to move in much faster while generating less heat during the process. According to the company, these aren't just lab figures. Similar performance has reportedly been demonstrated in real-world testing, including cold weather conditions, where charging at 20 degrees Celsius only takes about 2 to 3 minutes longer. It's also worth noting this technology isn't aimed at regular passenger cars. It's been built specifically for light commercial vehicles that operate continuously, day after day. Many people have long assumed that frequent fast charging would degrade a battery faster. But CATL says this battery has been engineered so that fast charging has minimal impact on its overall lifespan. Picture a delivery driver charging for about 10 minutes before starting work in the morning, then topping up again briefly during a break. That kind of routine could let a vehicle work through the entire day without long waits. A meaningful advantage for small businesses and fleet operators who've historically avoided electric commercial vehicles simply because charging took too long. If this technology performs as claimed, it could remove one of the biggest barriers to adoption. CATL frames it simply. Charging time for electric vehicles is now getting very close to the time it takes to refuel a diesel vehicle, which is why this battery is being seen not just as a new product, but as a genuine step forward for the commercial EV industry. Battery longevity and durability. Fast charging isn't the only headline feature here. The battery's long lifespan is just as significant. CATL is backing the TechTrans 2 with a 10-year or 1 million kilometer warranty. At first glance, that's a striking number. For a commercial vehicle driving around 250 kilometers a day, this battery could realistically last 10 to 11 years. CATL's own explanation is simple. Battery life equals vehicle life. The battery is designed to last for roughly as long as the vehicle itself. Compare that to how things have typically worked. In many commercial EVs, battery capacity has historically started declining after just a few years of heavy use, sometimes requiring replacement after 4 or 5 years, a costly proposition for small business owners and fleet operators, and one of the main reasons diesel has continued to feel like the safer long-term option. If CATL's claim holds up, that calculation could shift considerably. A 10-year warranty means far less worry about battery replacement for a long stretch of ownership. The vehicle could simply keep working on its original battery for years. The impact could be even larger at fleet scale. Imagine a company running 50 delivery vans, each covering around 300 kilometers a day. If those batteries don't need repeated replacement, the company could save significant money, lower its maintenance costs, keep vehicles on the road more consistently, and extend their overall service life. This could also reshape the used vehicle market. Buyers have historically hesitated to purchase second-hand electric vehicles out of concern over battery condition. A long warranty could give buyers more confidence and improve resale values in the process. CATL says this battery was purpose-built for commercial vehicles that operate daily, even under repeated fast charging, with a strong focus on safety, long-term durability, and cold weather performance. That combination could be genuinely good news for small businesses and fleet operators. Still, fast charging alone isn't enough. If a battery needs replacing after just a few years, the overall cost advantage disappears. That's why CATL is positioning long life and fast charging as a package deal. Whether the battery can truly last a full 1,000,000 kilometers is something only years of real-world use will confirm. The technology behind the breakthrough. So, what exactly did CATL do to enable charging in just a few minutes, while also promising a long lifespan and solid cold weather performance? A few key engineering choices stand out. Heat management. Fast charging typically generates significant internal heat, and over time, that heat degrades battery health. CATL says it has improved how electricity flows inside the battery, allowing faster charging while producing less heat, reducing overall stress on the battery even during rapid charging. Graphite structure. According to the company, it has made precise microscopic level changes to the battery's internal graphite structure, arranging particles more efficiently so electricity can be stored more effectively. This is said to help the battery stay healthy over time, even after repeated fast charging cycles. Cold weather performance. Just as a phone battery drains faster in winter, EV batteries face similar challenges in cold weather. CATL claims its new battery performs reliably even at temperatures as low as 20 degrees C, with charging taking only about 2 to 3 minutes longer under those conditions. The company says the battery includes a system that helps maintain the right internal temperature in cold weather, preserving both charging speed and overall performance. It's also worth reiterating that this battery isn't designed for everyday passenger cars. It's built specifically for commercial vehicles under heavy daily use, which is why its construction has been reinforced to handle those demanding conditions. Taken together, CATL hasn't just solved one problem, it's tackled 4 at once: fast charging, reduced heat, longer battery life, and better cold weather performance. The company's extensive track record in battery development adds real credibility here, having already built several advanced battery technologies before turning its attention to the everyday needs of commercial vehicles. If this technology performs as claimed, delivery companies, e-commerce fleets, and many other businesses stand to benefit. That said, this is still a new battery, and its real-world performance across different roads and climates will only become clear with time, though CATL's history gives reasonable grounds for optimism. Could this replace diesel? Now, the biggest question, can CATL's new TechTrans 2 battery replace diesel vehicles in the future? The honest answer is, not entirely, and not right away. For light commercial vehicles specifically, the impact could be substantial, but suggesting every type of diesel vehicle will vanish overnight would be premature. Light commercial vehicles include delivery vans, small cargo vehicles, grocery supply vehicles, and e-commerce delivery vans operating within cities. And for this category, the battery could bring a genuine shift. The logic is simple. If charging only takes a few minutes and the battery lasts for years, vehicles spend more time working and less time waiting at charging stations, which directly affects earnings. Where a vehicle might previously have completed only a handful of trips in a day, shorter charging times could allow for significantly more deliveries. Add in the absence of daily diesel costs, potentially cheaper electricity, and lower long-term maintenance from a battery that doesn't need frequent replacement, and this technology becomes genuinely attractive for small business owners and fleet operators. There's an environmental angle too. With large numbers of delivery vehicles operating in cities daily, a shift toward electric could meaningfully reduce emissions and pollution, while vehicles spending less time out of service helps fleet owners run more efficiently. A long warranty could also boost confidence in the used vehicle market, making second-hand electric vehicles more appealing to buyers. That said, diesel won't disappear overnight. Within the light commercial vehicle segment, electric adoption could grow quickly over the next few years, particularly where fast charging infrastructure is readily available. The picture looks different for heavy trucks, though. Vehicles hauling 20 to 40 tons over hundreds of kilometers daily need much larger batteries, bigger charging infrastructure, and different logistical support altogether. That's why TechTrans 2 is currently focused on light commercial vehicles, with diesel likely to remain important for heavy trucking for some time. Although technologies like battery swapping and faster charging could eventually bring change there too. Looking ahead, 5 to 7 years, electric vehicles could capture a much larger share of short-distance city deliveries, with continued government support accelerating adoption as running costs come down. Challenges still remain. Fast charging infrastructure isn't universally available yet, and higher upfront purchase prices may still give some buyers pause. But if total cost of ownership proves lower over time, more operators are likely to make the switch gradually. In short, TechTrans 2 may not replace diesel immediately, but it could meaningfully weaken diesel's grip on the light commercial vehicle segment. Charging infrastructure and support. A great battery alone isn't enough. If it isn't easy to charge, even the best technology won't reach many people. CATL clearly understood this from the start, which is why it hasn't just launched a new battery, but also planned an entire charging network to support it. The company says it plans to build around 4,000 new charging and battery swap stations across China this year, spread across roughly 190 cities, with a primary focus on fast, convenient service for commercial vehicles. What makes these stations notable is that they won't just offer charging, they're designed to provide both fast charging and battery swapping at the same location. Battery swapping works differently from charging. Instead of waiting for a depleted battery to recharge, it's physically removed and replaced with a fully charged one, a process that can be completed in just 2 to 3 minutes. That means drivers avoid long waits entirely and can be back on the road almost immediately. CATL has also focused on station usability, with easy-to-handle charging cables so drivers don't need to reposition their vehicles repeatedly, alongside high-power chargers capable of pushing batteries like the TechTrans 2 to their full charging potential. Built at this scale, these stations could meaningfully improve daily life for urban drivers, who currently lose a lot of time simply locating a station or waiting in line. With more stations available near markets, warehouses, and main roads, charging or swapping batteries could become a quick, routine part of the day, letting delivery drivers take short breaks, get back on the road, and keep working with far fewer interruptions. CATL also says this network won't be limited to its own batteries. The company plans to eventually make the system compatible with other vehicles and battery platforms, extending the benefit more broadly. For now, the rollout is starting in China, with plans to expand internationally down the line. Ultimately, an EV's success doesn't depend on the battery alone. Charging infrastructure matters just as much, and CATL is clearly investing in both simultaneously. That combination is a big part of why more fleet companies are now taking electric vehicles seriously. When charging and battery swapping become simple and fast, daily operations can run with far fewer interruptions. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to GearNation and hit the bell icon so you never miss our latest technology videos. See you in the next one.